Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates. Making my way to Egypt, I had a day to explore this beautiful modern city, except I did not vlog at this time, so I did not capture much. Just little snippets on my old ass GoPro. Abu Dhabi has a mix of historic sites, iconic landmarks, beautiful beaches overlooking the turquoise waters of the Persian Gulf, and on top of that, the city is super clean. I wish I had spent more time to explore and enjoy the city, but I got to walk around, I got to relax, I got to enjoy the beach, and I got to take in everything I could for the time I had. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, and I really hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, forgive me. But this mosque is one of the largest mosques in the world and definitely the largest mosque in the country. This place is straight out of like fantasy. It just looks like it's straight out of Aladdin. Walking around this place, every corner you turn, everywhere you look, you're just astonished and amazed at the architect. It's just pure art. But this is not a palace. This is a mosque, a place of worship. I mean, you have large crowds that gather here. I believe up to 41,000 people can go here to worship, and the main hall accommodates a large group of about 10,000 people. So you're looking at a place and a site that's really, really huge, and it's amazing. Like, holy hell, right? Overall, it was beautiful. I've seen this place in magazines, I've seen it on TV, I've seen pictures online. I just remember thinking, like, damn, I gotta check this place out. So when I had the opportunity to come to the U.A.E, this was on the top of my list. I had to see it for myself. I took it all in. It still amazes me till this day, and I'm blessed to have seen this place. It's beautiful, just pure beauty.